Imagine this. You're sitting on your couch, lazily scrolling through your favorite online store. Something catches your eye, you click buy now and then, as if by magic, that package appears on your doorstep the very next day. It seems almost impossible, doesn't it? How does that box travel potentially hundreds of miles to reach you in such a short time? Let's pull back the curtain on this modern miracle. We'll follow your package's incredible journey from factory floor to front door, and I promise you what you're about to learn will completely change how you think about that buy now button. By the end of this video, you'll understand just how remarkable this daily occurrence really is. Let's rewind just 20 years. Remember when fast shipping meant getting your package in a week? People would literally mark their calendars and plan their lives around these delivery windows. 7 to 10 business days wasn't just a shipping estimate, it was a way of life. And we were completely fine with it. Why? Because that's just how things worked. The infrastructure for faster delivery simply didn't exist. Most companies operated from a single, massive warehouse somewhere in the middle of the country. Tracking was basic at best, and the idea of next-day delivery was about as realistic as teleportation. But what's truly fascinating is how this system operated. Orders would pile up throughout the day, getting processed in large batches. Packages would sit in warehouses for days, waiting to accumulate enough volume to justify shipping to a particular region. The focus was on cost efficiency rather than speed, and the customer's convenience was secondary to operational logistics. But then something extraordinary happened. 3 major factors collided to create what I call the perfect storm of shipping innovation. First, e-commerce exploded. Companies like Amazon showed us that shopping could be instant, and suddenly, waiting a week for delivery felt like an eternity. The market demanded speed, and the industry had to adapt or die. The numbers tell the story. E-commerce sales grew from just 4% of retail in 2010 to over 20% by 2023, creating massive pressure for faster delivery solutions. Second, technology made an incredible leap forward. We're talking real-time inventory tracking, automated warehouses that look like something out of a sci-fi movie, and AI systems that can predict what you'll order before you even know you want it. These systems process millions of data points every second, continuously optimizing every aspect of the delivery process. Third, companies completely redefined distribution. Instead of one massive warehouse, they built networks of smaller fulfillment centers strategically placed near major population centers. This wasn't cheap. We're talking billions in investment. But it revolutionized delivery times. A single company might now operate hundreds of fulfillment centers, each serving a specific geographic area with precision and speed. Let's start at the beginning. Before your package can race to your doorstep, it needs to be manufactured and properly prepared for its journey. But here's where it gets interesting. Companies don't wait for you to order something to start moving it closer to you. Using sophisticated data analytics, they predict what people in different regions will buy and pre-stock those items in strategic locations. Think of it like a chess grandmaster, always thinking several moves ahead. These modern warehouses, often called dark warehouses, are so automated they barely need lights to operate. The technology behind this predictive stocking is fascinating. Machine learning algorithms analyze everything from historical sales data to weather patterns, social media trends, and even local events. They can predict with remarkable accuracy what items will be popular in specific areas at specific times. For example, they might stock more umbrellas in Seattle warehouses during rainy seasons or increase inventory of certain products near college campuses during back-to-school season. The moment you click buy, you trigger an incredible chain reaction. Within milliseconds, sophisticated algorithms analyze your location, the product's location, and countless other factors to determine the optimal fulfillment center for your order. Inside these warehouses, either robots or highly trained human pickers receive instant instructions on their handheld devices. The precision is mind-blowing. Modern warehouses can locate and retrieve items within seconds, with accuracy rates approaching 99.9%. But it's not just about speed, it's about intelligence. These systems constantly learn and adapt. They track which items are frequently ordered together and position them closer to each other in the warehouse. They monitor picker performance and optimize routes. Some warehouses even use AI to predict equipment maintenance needs before breakdowns occur. Your package then enters what I call the logistics highway, a precisely choreographed dance of trucks, planes, and sorting facilities. Modern scanning systems track every movement, ensuring nothing gets lost in the shuffle. Here's a mind-blowing statistic. Your package might visit several sorting hubs, but it never sits still for more than 20 minutes at each location. Using cross-docking techniques, packages are immediately resorted for their next destination. In the world of next-day delivery, every second counts. The sophistication of these sorting facilities is remarkable. High-speed conveyor systems can process up to 200,000 packages per hour. Advanced scanning technology reads labels from multiple angles simultaneously, while weight sensors and dimensional scanners ensure accurate sorting. Some facilities even use computer vision to detect damaged packages or incorrect labels instantly. Now comes what industry insiders call the last mile, and it's arguably the most fascinating part of the journey. Did you know this final stretch accounts for over 50% of the total shipping cost? It's true. Companies use incredibly sophisticated route optimization software to plan delivery paths. These systems consider everything from traffic patterns to weather conditions, constantly updating routes in real time to ensure maximum efficiency. They can even factor in details like which side of the street packages should be delivered to minimize crossing time. The complexity of last-mile delivery is staggering. Drivers might handle anywhere from 150 to 300 packages per day, each with its own delivery requirements. The routing software must balance multiple competing factors: delivery deadlines, fuel efficiency, traffic conditions, and even driver breaks. Some systems are so sophisticated they can predict when a customer is likely to be home based on historical delivery data. Of course, this incredible speed comes at a price. The faster you want something delivered, the more complex and expensive the process becomes. Companies are constantly walking a tightrope between speed and affordability. The solution? Technology, and more technology. Advanced route planning reduces fuel costs. Real-time tracking prevents lost packages. Automated sorting systems minimize errors. It's a constant push to make the impossible not just possible but economical. Environmental concerns are also driving innovation in this space. Companies are investing in electric delivery vehicles, developing more efficient packaging solutions, and exploring ways to consolidate deliveries to reduce carbon emissions. Some are even experimenting with renewable energy to power their warehouses and sorting facilities. Companies are already testing same-hour delivery in some urban areas. Micro-fulfillment centers are popping up in city centers, looking more like high-tech vending machines than traditional warehouses. And let's talk about drones. They're not just science fiction anymore. Several companies are conducting successful delivery tests, and it's only a matter of time before they become commonplace in certain areas. These autonomous delivery systems could revolutionize how we think about rapid delivery, especially in hard-to-reach areas. The innovation doesn't stop there. Companies are exploring underground delivery networks in dense urban areas, autonomous delivery robots for sidewalk deliveries, and even systems that would deliver directly to your car's trunk, wherever it's parked. The possibilities seem endless. Remember those corner stores that seem to be disappearing? Well, they're making a comeback, but with a high-tech twist. Companies are transforming urban retail spaces into what industry experts call micro-fulfillment centers. These aren't your typical warehouses, they're compact, automated facilities that can fit in the basement of a grocery store or even in an old parking garage. What makes these centers special is their ability to process orders at lightning speed. Using advanced robotic systems that can move in 3 dimensions, these facilities can prepare an order in under 5 minutes. Imagine a giant 3D chess game where robots move up, down, and sideways to grab items from densely packed storage cells. It's like watching a choreographed dance of machines, all working to get your package ready for delivery. Your package itself is getting smarter too. Modern shipping containers now come equipped with IoT sensors that can monitor everything from temperature to humidity and impact forces. This is revolutionary for sensitive shipments like medications or electronics, but it's becoming standard for everyday items too. These smart packages can even adjust their internal conditions. Imagine a package that can regulate its temperature or add extra cushioning if it detects rough handling. Some companies are testing packages with e-ink displays that can dynamically update shipping information or even show advertisements while in transit. Here's something that might blow your mind. Companies are working on systems that can deliver your packages before you order them. Sound impossible? It's already happening on a small scale. By analyzing your purchasing patterns, seasonal trends, and even your social media activity, AI systems can predict with surprising accuracy what you're likely to order and when. This predictive delivery system could fundamentally change how we think about shopping. Instead of ordering something and waiting for it to arrive, items you frequently purchase might just show up right when you need them. Running low on coffee beans? A new bag might arrive the day before you run out. It's like having a personal assistant who knows your needs better than you do. The future of delivery isn't just about speed, it's about sustainability too. Companies are developing fascinating solutions to make delivery more environmentally friendly. One innovative approach is the reverse logistics system, where delivery vehicles collect recyclable packaging materials while dropping off new packages, essentially creating a closed loop. Some cities are experimenting with underground delivery networks that use existing infrastructure like old subway tunnels or utility corridors. These systems can move thousands of packages per hour while keeping trucks off the streets, reducing both congestion and emissions. In Amsterdam, for example, they're testing a network of underground tubes that can move packages between distribution hubs at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. While automation is increasing, the human element isn't disappearing. It's evolving. Delivery drivers are being equipped with augmented reality glasses that can display navigation information, package handling instructions, and even customer preferences directly in their field of vision. It's like giving them superpowers. These AR systems can highlight the exact location where a package should be placed, warn about potential hazards, or even translate delivery instructions in real time. Some companies are testing systems that can project a virtual delivery zone onto the driver's view, ensuring packages are placed exactly where customers want them. The future of delivery is starting to look like something out of a sci-fi movie. Companies are developing hybrid delivery systems that combine multiple autonomous vehicles. Imagine a large self-driving truck that serves as a mobile distribution hub, releasing a swarm of smaller delivery robots or drones to handle the final delivery. Some of these robots can even climb stairs or use elevators, making them perfect for apartment deliveries. These systems are already being tested in controlled environments like college campuses and planned communities. The results are promising. They're showing higher delivery accuracy rates and significantly lower costs than traditional methods. It's only a matter of time before these technologies start appearing in our everyday lives. So the next time you click that Buy Now button, remember the incredible journey your package is about to take. Behind that simple click lies a vast network of technology, infrastructure, and dedicated professionals working around the clock to make the impossible happen daily. We've come so far from the days of week-long waiting periods, and we're just getting started. The future of delivery is faster, smarter, and more amazing than we ever imagined. It's a testament to human innovation and our constant drive to push the boundaries of what's possible. What do you think about one-day delivery? Have you ever wondered about how your packages get to you so quickly? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating looks into the technology that shapes our world.